Auzubillahi minasyaitonirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome everybody. Good morning everybody. This is Mahfuza Akhtar, Assistant Professor of English, Kustia City College, Kustia. My dear beloved students of intermediate, first year and second year, I think all of you were hale and hearty by the grace of Allah, and I am also fine by the grace of Allah. My dear learners, you know, many days actually I haven't taken any classes, but my dear learners, today I would like to conduct classes on important topics. You know, today my dear learners, I would like to conduct classes on transformation of sentence. Actually, you know, the intermediate first year, those who are new students, actually this class is arranged for them regarding transformation of sentences. My dear learners, you know that transformation of sentence would be very much beneficial, much more fruitful for you. It is not only for intermediate first year but also for intermediate second year. Actually, those who are attending exams, actually this class is also very much fruitful for them. So my dear learners, you know, in present situation corona is growing, so in these situations you have to be very much conscious. You have to stay at home. Before going to outside you have to use mask. Okay, so my dear learners, today I would like to conduct classes on transformation of sentences. Okay, so before going to start our class, actually sound system and visualizations, all things are clear or not? I'm checking it. Please share the class with all the learners, as well as all the learners will see the class. Okay, please share the class with all the learners, as well as all the learners will see the class. Okay, I think sound system and visualizations, all things are clear. So my dear learners, I am not taking time. I would like to continue my class. My class will be continue for 50 minutes. Actually, all of you will be benefited from my class. If you have any problems, please comment me. Okay, actually this is the class for college students, intermediate first year and second year students. Okay, actually both types of learners will be benefited. Okay, so my dear learners, transformation of sentence. So my dear learners, today our topic is transformation of sentence. So at first we have to know actually what is transformation of sentence. You know, transformation of sentences, there are two types of, actually there are many types of sentences. Actually sentence is a word, group of words which expresses full or complete meaning. This is called sentence. We know that. Okay, you know that Rohim goes to school. This is the sentence. Okay, regularly. Rohim goes to school regularly. My dear students, please follow it. This is the sentence. Actually these sentences which are consisted with parts of speech, actually the parts of speech which consisted a sentence, and all the parts of speech makes a complete full meaning. Actually words are divided into parts of speech. Actually, you know, parts of speech are of 8 kinds, and these 8 kinds of parts of speech, actually by these parts of speech, actually sentences are consisted. So group of words consisted which makes complete sense or meaning, this is called sentences. Okay, so my dear learners, next come sentences are of 2 types. Okay, actually sentences are of 2 types. You know, according to the meaning of the sentence, sentences are assertive, interrogative, optative, exclamatory. Okay, 5 kinds. And you know, according to the structure of sentence, sentences are of 3 kinds. These are simple, complex and compound. Okay, So my dear learners, there are much more types and variations of sentences, but today I am going to actually, you know that sentences are of two types. Number one is conversion of sentence, and number two is transformation of sentence. Okay, transformation of sentence. Actually, what is conversion of sentence? Actually, when we change the meaning of the sentence, actually according to the meaning of the sentence it has been changed. This is called conversion of sentence. অর্থাৎ অর্থের যেটা পরিবর্তন ঘটায় সেটা হচ্ছে conversion of sentence. But transformation is sentence actually which can't change the meaning of a sentence. This is called transformation of sentence. Actually, conversion of sentence, for example, we can say I love you, okay, or he loves me. So if I change it, he don't love me, okay, meaning has not been changed. Actually, according to the conversion of sentence, meaning are not changed, okay, but in transformation of sentence, meaning are not changed, okay. Conversion of sentence, meaning are changed. I love you, but he loves me, he don't love me, okay. সে আমাকে ভালোবাসে না, বা he loves me, সে আমাকে ভালোবাসে, সে আমাকে ভালোবাসে না। এখানে পুরোপুরি অর্থের চেঞ্জ হয়ে যাচ্ছে, কিন্তু in transformation of sentence, without changing the meaning, actually without changing the meaning, sentence are changed, okay, being changed, okay. As example, he is tall, okay, he is tall, my dear learners. So if I change it, he is not short, he is not short. Actually, meaning are not changed, but in conversion of sentence, actually meaning are fully changed, but in transformation of sentence, actually meaning are not changed, okay. So this is the transformation of sentence. So my dear learners, actually there are many types of transformation of sentence. Actually, voice, degree, assertive, interrogative, simple, complex, compound, okay, affirmative, negatives, okay. There are many types of transformation of sentence we find, but my dear learners, today I'd like to discuss with you on three my dear learners. Okay, so my dear learners, according to the conversion of sentence, meaning are changed, fully changed, but in transformation of sentence, meaning are not fully changed, okay. So according to the structure of sentence, sentences are of three kinds, okay. You know, according to the structure of sentence, sentences are of three kinds. Number one is simple, number two complex, and number three is compound, okay. So my dear learners, sentences are of three kinds. Number one is simple sentence, complex sentence, and compound sentence. Today I will describe simple sentence, complex sentence, and complex sentence elaborately, okay, compound sentence. So what is simple sentence, and what is complex sentence, and what is compound sentence? Actually, before going to transformation of sentence, we have to go through detailed discussions on simple, complex, and compound, okay. My dear learners, at first you have to know what is simple sentence. Actually, simple sentence, this sentence is which has subject and finite verb. The sentence which has only one subject, which has only one subject and a finite verb. The sentence which has only one subject and finite verb, this is called simple sentence. Okay, as example, she takes tea. Okay, this is the example of simple sentence. Actually, you have to know that all sentences are simple sentence, but all clauses are not. Actually, all sentences are simple sentence. Okay, all sentences are clauses, but all clauses are not simple sentence. Okay, so my dear learners, you have to all simple sentences are a clause, but all clauses are not a simple sentence. Okay, so you have to clear the point. All simple sentences are a clause, but all clauses are not simple sentence. Actually, there are three kinds of clauses, you know, principal clauses, subordinate clauses and coordinate clauses. Actually, before going to this structure, actually you have to know the finite verbs and non-finite verbs. Actually, what is finite verbs and what is non-finite verbs. Okay, my dear learners, so you know that simple sentence which has subject and finite verbs. In these sentences, you see she is a subject, take is a finite verb. Okay, this is subject and this is finite verb. In complex sentences, then we comes what is complex sentences. তার মানে simple sentence একটি মাত্র subject এবং একটি মাত্র finite verb থাকবে. But in complex sentences, we find there are two clauses. Actually, in complex sentences, there are two clauses. One is independent clause, one is independent clause, and another is dependent clause. Okay, in complex sentence there are two clauses, and two clauses there are two finite verbs. Okay, my dear learners, you have to know that in complex sentences there are two clauses, and one is subordinate clause and another is principal clause, and two clauses has two subjects and two finite verbs. Actually, you know that every clauses, in simple sentences we see one subject and one finite verb. In the similar way, you see in complex sentences there are two clauses or two sentences. One is principal clauses and another is subordinate. Principal means স্বাধীন, subordinate means পরাধীন. Okay, অধীন clause. Okay, all these are called অধীন clause. Okay, so this is called complex sentences. For example, though he knows English, though he knows English, he can't speak. Though he knows English, he can't speak. My dear learners, here you see there we find two clauses are here. Actually, number one is independent principal clauses and subordinate. One is actually principal clauses, another name is independent clause or স্বাধীন clause, এবং subordinate clauses, another name is অধীন clause. Okay, my dear learners, you see. So here we find though is a subordinating conjunctions. Actually, in complex sentences we have to find out the same another things, that in complex sentences there are subordinating conjunctions are exist there. So we find the being existence of subordinate clause. Actually, subordinate conjunction, though is a subordinate conjunctions. Actually, so these conjunctions are with subordinate clauses. So though he knows English, this is the subordinate clause, and he can't speak, this is principal clauses. So In complex sentences, we find there are two clauses. One is subordinate clause and one is principal clause. Okay, and compound sentence, the sentence which has two clauses, two principal clauses are joined with the coordinating conjunctions. Okay, here we find the existence of two principal clause. And both have subject and finite verb. I already told you that a simple sentence we find subject and finite verb. Every clauses has subject and finite verbs. So compound sentences we see there we find the existence of principal clause. Two principal clause are connected with and, but, or, and yet. So therefore. Okay, my dear learners, you see, sorry. So in compound sentence দুটি স্বাধীন বাক্য, দুটি principal clause, কিছু coordinating conjunctions, and compound sentences we find there is the existence of two principal clauses are connected with coordinating conjunctions. These coordinating conjunctions are and, but, or, yet. Okay, I am writing down a sentence. He is very rich. And he always helps the poor. Actually, this class is very much important for intermediate first year student. Actually, those who are first year student, this class is very much fruitful for them. Okay, so my dear learners, he is very rich and he always helps the poor. Okay, this is the sentence. So here we find he is very rich. There we find two clauses are here. Two clauses are he is very rich. Okay, this is one clauses and he always helps the poor. Okay, this is another clause. Okay, here we find two principal clauses are connected with conjunctions and, but, or, yet. Okay, any conjunctions it comes. Okay, so here we find he is very rich and he always helps the poor. Here we find and is a conjunctions and two principal clauses. তার মানে দুটি স্বাধীন বাক্য যেটা কিছু conjunction compound sentences জন্য there we find some conjunctions and, but, or, yet, and these conjunctions are exist in the sentences. Okay, so my dear learners, I think you have got the point actually what is symbol. So how to recognize simple sentence actually চেনার উপায় যদি বলি, number one, only subject, one subject, and number two, one finite verb. Okay, one subject and one finite verb. Okay, in complex sentence চেনার উপায়, here we find number one, subject two and finite verb two. Actually there we find two clauses. So two clauses are based on two sentences and two sentences have two subjects and two verbs. These verbs are two finite verbs. Okay, and also there we find two clauses. Okay, two clauses are two. এখানে two clauses, one clauses. Simple sentences have the existence of one clauses, but complex sentences we find two clauses here. Okay, and number three, compound sentence. তাহলে compound sentence কিভাবে আমরা জানবো? Actually there we find the existence of subject two subject, verb, two finite verbs, two finite verb. Okay, and clauses are two. Okay, my dear learners, two clauses. Okay, so this is the structure of simple, complex, and compound. Okay, so simple sentence which has only one subject and one finite verbs, complex sentence which has one subordinate clauses and another is principal clauses. Here we find 2 subject, 2 clauses, 2 finite verbs. Okay, and compound sentence, there we find 2 principal clauses, 2 finite verbs and 2 subjects. Okay, and I again told you that all simple sentence are clause, but all clauses are not simple sentences. All simple sentences are clauses, but all clauses are not simple sentences. Okay, clause would be subordinate clause, principal clause. Okay, there are much more clauses. So all simple sentences are clauses, but all clauses are not simple sentence. You have to mind it. Okay, so my dear learners, next I am going to a rules of simple, complex and compound. Today I will discuss only one rules. Today I will discuss only one rules. Okay, my dear learners, today I will discuss only one rules: simple, complex and compound. Okay, so in compound sentence, actually in complex sentence we see complex sentence begins with subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions are those when, while, okay, though, although, you know, all these are subordinating conjunctions, my dear learners. So you know these are sort of when, while, though, although, all these are called subordinating conjunctions. So my dear learners, in complex sentence there we find, actually before I give you earlier the lectures of simple, complex and compound definitions. Actually in complex sentences there are 2 clauses. One is subordinate clauses and another is principal clauses. Okay, 2 subject, 2 finite verbs and 2 clauses. Okay, so when if complex sentence are started with when, okay, when it is started with, actually when it refers to an age, in complex sentence when দিয়ে যখন আমরা বয়স বোঝাচ্ছি বা when দিয়ে কোনো কোনো সময় কি বোঝায়, সাল বোঝায় বা ঋতু বোঝায়, ওকে, সিজন, ইয়ার, ওকে, অ্যান্ড when দিয়ে যদি বোঝায় অন্যান্য কিছু থাকে, সেক্ষেত্রে আমরা কিভাবে how to change simple, complex and compound. Okay, so my dear learners, structure 1, স্বাধীন clause. Actually স্বাধীন clause, this another name is independent clause. Okay, স্বাধীন clause actually when দিয়ে যখন বয়স বোঝাবে সেক্ষেত্রে at the age of, okay, when স্বাধীন clause plus when at the age of plus বয়স. ওকে, and when যখন সাল বা ঋতু বোঝাবে সেক্ষেত্রে আমরা কি করব, সেক্ষেত্রে স্ট্রাকচারটা এভাবে আসবে. at first you have to add independent clause, plus in plus year or season. Okay, year or season, and when দিয়ে যখন অন্যান্য বোঝাবে সেক্ষেত্রে আমরা কিভাবে how to solve. Okay, অন্যান্য বোঝালে সেক্ষেত্রে স্বাধীন ক্লজ, independent clause, okay, independent clause plus at the time of plus verb plus ing. Okay, at the time of plus verb plus ing. Okay, so my dear learners, and compound sentences independent clause plus and plus independent clause. Actually in compound sentence structure would be same. Okay, two independent clause are connected with coordinating conjunctions. Okay, this is the structure of compound sentence. So when যুক্ত complex sentence কে আমরা কিভাবে simple এবং complex করব. Okay, so my dear learners, there would be the three categories. When refers age, when refers year or season, and when refers another's. Okay, others. So স্বাধীন clause plus at the age of plus বয়স, independent clause plus in plus year plus season, and independent clause plus at the time of plus verb plus ing. Okay, my dear learners, so here we find the examples. Okay, when দিয়ে যখন বয়স বোঝাবে সেক্ষেত্রে আমরা কিভাবে হবে, when she was 10. Okay, when she was 10 she met me first. Okay, she met me first. This is the complex sentence. So this complex sentence refers age. Okay, এখানে বয়স বোঝাচ্ছে যে যখন সে 10 বছরের ছিল সে তখন আমার সাথে দেখা করেছিল, সে প্রথম আমার সাথে দেখা করেছিল. she met me first. Okay, so in this sentence তাহলে here we find two sentences, one is subordinate and another is principal. Here we find this is the subordinate clause, when she was 10. Okay, so my dear learners, if we want to transform it into simple sentence, actually at first we have to write down independent clause. So she met me first. She met me first. Okay, she met me okay, this is the independent clause. She met me at the age of. Okay, here we find the age, এখানে যেহেতু বয়স আছে সেক্ষেত্রে আমরা she met me at the age of 10. Okay, my dear learners, I think you have solved. And আমরা যদি এটাকে কম্পাউন্ড করি, if we transform into two complex to compound, সেক্ষেত্রে কম্পাউন্ড সেন্টেন্সের ক্ষেত্রে আমরা প্রিন্সিপাল ক্লোজটাকে আগে লিখতে পারি বা সাবঅর্ডিনেট ক্লোজটাকে আগে লিখতে পারি, কিন্তু আমরা খেয়াল করব যে এখানে যে কনজাংশনটা থাকবে সেটা উঠে যাবে, মাঝখানে একটা অ্যান্ড যুক্ত হবে. ওকে, সো আমরা এভাবে লিখতে পারি she was 10 and she met me first. দেন এখানে দেনটা ইচ্ছা করলে দেওয়া যায়, নাও দেওয়া যায়. আমরা এখানে ইচ্ছা করলে নাও দিতে পারি, এটা দেওয়া যায় অথবা নাও দেওয়া যায়. ওকে মাই ডিয়ার লার্নার্স, এবার আমরা আসি যখন আমরা when দিয়ে সাল বা ঋতু বোঝাবো সেক্ষেত্রে আমরা কিভাবে হবে, when it was second sentence, when it was 1996. Okay, this is the year. Okay, when complex sentence we find the existence of year, when it was 1996, যখন 1996 সাল ছিল, she was born. Okay, she was born. My dear learners, here we find two clauses, one is subordinate clauses and another is principal clauses. So two clauses are joined with subordinating conjunctions when. এখানে when দিয়ে যেহেতু সাল বোঝাচ্ছে সেক্ষেত্রে আমরা in দিয়ে বোঝাবো. সেক্ষেত্রে প্রথমে আমরা ইন্ডিপেন্ডেন্ট ক্লোজ, এখানে আমরা খেয়াল করছি যে ইন্ডিপেন্ডেন্ট ক্লোজ এখানে কোনটা, she was born, এটা হচ্ছে ইন্ডিপেন্ডেন্ট ক্লোজ. ওকে, তো আমরা এখানে প্রথমে আমরা ইন্ডিপেন্ডেন্ট ক্লোজ লিখবো. সেক্ষেত্রে আমরা এটাকে যখন সিম্পল করবো সেক্ষেত্রে at first independent clause we have to write down she was born in এগুলো সব উঠে যাবে ইন 1996 ওকে মাই ডিয়ার লার্নার্স আই থিঙ্ক ইউ হ্যাভ আন্ডারস্টুড এবং এটাকে যদি আমরা কম্পাউন্ড করি সেক্ষেত্রে ইট ওয়াজ 1996 শি ওয়াজ বর্ন অথবা শি ওয়াজ বর্নটাকে আগে দিতে পারি শি ওয়াজ বর্ন ওকে অ্যান্ড ইট ওয়াজ 1996 দেন এখানে দেনটা আমরা ইচ্ছা করলে দিতে পারি নাও দিতে পারি শুধুমাত্র এতটুকুই দিতে পারি it was 1996 okay my dear learners if complex sentence is with season complex sentences যদি আমরা সিজন বোঝাই বা ঋতু বোঝাই সেক্ষেত্রে আমরা কিভাবে করব when it was winter in complex sentence when it was winter okay it was winter my dear learners please follow when it was winter she was born okay this is the complex sentence so এখানে সালও থাকতে পারে ঋতুও থাকতে পারে ওকে সিজন থাকতে পারে বা ইয়ার থাকতে পারে সেক্ষেত্রে in these cases we have to use in the same way she was born in winter ওকে শাল বা ঋতু উভয়ের ক্ষেত্রে আমরা শুধুমাত্র প্রিন্সিপাল সাবঅর্ডিনেট প্রিন্সিপাল ক্লজের সাথে আমরা ইন যুক্ত করে ইয়ার বা সিজন দিয়ে দেবো ওকে এই বিষয়টা আমাদের অবশ্যই খেয়াল রাখতে হবে ওকে এবং এটাকে যদি আমরা কম্পাউন্ড করি সেটা একই রকম হবে যেমন শি ওয়াজ বর্ন অ্যান্ড ইট ওয়াজ উইন্টার ওকে মাই ডিয়ার লার্নার্স I think you have understood, you have got the point. I think if this class is benefited for you, please comment me. If you have any problems, please share with me. Actually, I will try my best, okay? And when দিয়ে যদি অন্যান্য কিছু বোঝায় সেক্ষেত্রে আমরা কিভাবে করব আমি সেটা একটু দেখাবো অন্যান্য বিষয় যদি বোঝায় সেক্ষেত্রে at the time of যেমন আমি একটি বাক্য লিখছি সেটা হচ্ছে যে when Tumpa reads book when Tumpa reads book this is the subordinate clause okay when Tumpa reads books she becomes attentive যখন সে বই পড়ে সে তখন খুবই মনোযোগী থাকে টুম্পা যখন বই পড়ে তখন টুম্পা খুবই পড়াশোনায় মনোযোগী থাকে ওকে তাহলে এখানে আমরা খেয়াল করি যে here we find principal clause complex sentences are consisted two clauses subordinate clauses and principal clauses and there we find the existence of subordinating conjunctions যখন আমরা কমপ্লিট সিম্পল করব সেক্ষেত্রে সাবঅর্ডিনেটিং কনজাংশনটা উঠে যাবে এখানে when আছে সেক্ষেত্রে টুম্পা রিডস বুক এখানে প্রথমে আমরা তাহলে স্বাধীন ক্লজ যেটা সেটা হচ্ছে আগে বসাবো যখন she becomes attentive তাহলে প্রথমে আমরা এই অংশটুকু লিখব যেহেতু দিস ইজ দ্য প্রিন্সিপাল ক্লজ সো আনসার শুড বি she becomes attentive এবার আমরা খেয়াল করব যেহেতু এখানে বয়সও বোঝাচ্ছে না সালও বোঝাচ্ছে না ঋতুও বোঝাচ্ছে না সেক্ষেত্রে আমরা at the time of প্লাস ভার্ব প্লাস আইএনজি এখানে আমরা খেয়াল করি সাবঅর্ডিনেট ক্লজে কি আছে সাবঅর্ডিনেট ক্লজে এখানে আছে ভার্ব আছে রিড এবং রিড আছে সেক্ষেত্রে ভার্বের সাথে আইএনজি করতে হবে তাহলে she becomes attentive এখানে শির পরিবর্তে আমরা টুম্পা লিখব কারণ যেহেতু দিস ইজ এ সিম্পল সেন্টেন্স অনলি ওয়ান সাবজেক্ট অ্যান্ড অনলি ওয়ান ফাইনাইট ভার্বস তাহলে এখানে আমরা লিখব টুম্পা becomes attentive at the time of reading books not reading okay read plus ing reading book okay my dear learners I think you have got the time Tumpa becomes attentive at the time of reading book যখন কমপ্লেক্স সেন্টেন্সে সাল ঋতু বা বয়স কোনোটাই বোঝাবে না সেক্ষেত্রে আমরা এই নিয়মটা করব at the time of প্লাস ভার্ব প্লাস ing at the time of প্লাস ভার্ব প্লাস ing আমরা এই বিষয়টা করব এখানে আমরা প্রথমেই আমরা ইন্ডিপেন্ডেন্ট ক্লজ বসিয়ে দেব তারপরে at the time of প্লাস ভার্ব প্লাস আইএনজি। এবং যখন আমরা এটাকে ট্রান্সফর্ম করব কম্পাউন্ড সেন্টেন্সে, সেক্ষেত্রে হাউ টু ট্রান্সফর্ম ইট। ওকে, সো এক্ষেত্রে আমরা কিভাবে করব, টুম্বা রিডস বুক, শি বিকামস অ্যাটেন্টিভ। এক্ষেত্রে আমরা টু compound sentences, in compound sentences two principal clauses are connected with conjunctions, coordinating conjunctions. So this coordinating conjunction should be and, but, or, yet. Okay, so we can write down, actually এখানে আমরা when টা উঠিয়ে দেব, সেক্ষেত্রে টুম্পা reads book and she becomes attentive. My dear learners, I think you all have understood my classes. Actually, if you benefited my classes, please comment me, and if you have any problem, please inform me. Actually, I will solve your problem. Thank you, my dear learners, for stay with me. I think this class will be very much fruitful for you. And today I would like to I discussed with you on transformation of sentence. Actually, according to the structure of sentence, actually simple, complex and compound sentences, my dear learners. And also I have discussed one rules. Actually, when যুক্ত complex sentence কে কিভাবে আমরা simple এবং compound করব, সেটা আমি দেখালাম তোমাদেরকে। তো মাই ডিয়ার লার্নার্স, আই থিঙ্ক অল ইউ হ্যাভ বেনিফিটেড। অ্যাকচুয়ালি your active participation always encourage me. Thanks for stay with me. So next class I will discuss another rules of transformation of sentence. This was our transformation of sentence part 1. And after part 2, actually I will discuss another 2 rules and regulations. Okay, I have already discussed 1 rules and regulations, and next classes I will discuss 2 rules and regulations. So up to this point, up to this part regarding transformation of sentence, I think you will practice it. This would be your homeworks. So my dear learners, thank you very much. That's all for today. Assalamu alaikum.